Okay, we're gonna start with making non-dairy caramel. We're gonna make caramel candies. I'm making the caramel candies because I need them for a sea salted turtle cookie. And I want to make a non-dairy version, so I have to make my own caramels. And I'm gonna show you how to do that really quick. It's pretty easy. The trickiest thing is keeping it stirring while it's all melting together. So to start with, because you're gonna have to be moving quick, you wanna go ahead and grease your pan. You don't want to grease it too much because then all the candies are going to end up being greasy, but just enough to coat it so nothing's going to stick. Then you're going to use a half cup of butter. And again, non-dairy. This is a non-dairy. It's Country Crock. It's the olive oil non-dairy. Works really good. You're going to turn your stove on. You're going to turn the stove to medium and go ahead and get your butter melted. Okay. Next, you want to do coconut milk, not coconut cream, coconut milk. I've gone ahead and opened my can, but before you do it, just make sure you shake it really well because it'll settle to the bottom. So you're going to go ahead and pour that in. And then you're going to want to do a half cup of corn syrup. This is kind of really the key to this recipe. When you're mixing it together in the pan at the beginning, it's going to stick to the sides of your glass here, so you're going to have to use a spatula to get it all out. It's ooey and gooey, but that's what makes a good caramel. Go ahead and give it a little mix right now. We don't have all the ingredients in, but I'm just getting the butter melted. Next, you're going to want to add your brown sugar. So it's 1 cup of brown sugar. I know it sounds like a lot with already having the corn syrup in there, but good caramel, really sugary. Like all things, you do a packed cup of brown sugar. You go ahead and put that in there. Now, the next, for quite a while, is going to be stirring. You want everything to mix together. It's going to start thickening up. The butter's going to take a little bit to melt here. You're going to want to think to turn up the temperature and get it heated faster. Don't do it. This is slow and steady. Okay, once it starts bubbling, you're going to want to measure the temperature. It's getting nice and thick and bubbling. I've got a digital thermometer. You can have a candy thermometer. I like the digital because you can get it a little better reading. You want to wait till it comes up to like 240, somewhere between 235 and 245. This is about 215 right now, so keep on stirring. Come on, candy.
Oh, smells good too.
Yeah, that vanilla gives it just that nice little flavor. I'm gonna let it thicken up just a little bit here. It starts actually getting past thick to gooey. And a little bit warm there. Would you mind, hon, grabbing me the other oven mitt? Oh, this is right. Thank you. Okay, here's the yeast dish from before. You can let this starts to thicken up so much that it's becoming past gooey, nice and creamy.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do this, and then we just pour it in here. Okay.
Okay.
Oop, 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 oop.
Can I help you?
I got it. And I'll lift this up after I pour it in here. You can kind of see it through the glass bowl.
Lift the pan up a little bit farther. So
Excuse me.
see.
There, you can see how nice, and that's pretty right there. It's a pretty creamy, not quite brown, but caramel color there. Oh boy, don't you wish you had some ice cream for this?
Okay. So back when I was little, my grandmother used to make stuff and she would let me lick the back.
This is boiling. I would not be that smart at this moment. Anyways, let me Oh, that hardened up. This is going to harden up over the next. There you go.
It already started to.
Yeah. Over the next hour or two, let it settle. If you bounce it a little here, I know that sounds loud. I'll bounce it over here. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to turn it off, but I'm going to tell you. You bounce it and it gets some of the air bubbles out. That's a trick you can do on cakes too. You get the camera. You can also take a toothpick and just kind of poke those air bubbles. But here's the trick. Don't worry about it. I've never seen anybody who eats good caramel go, oh, there's a bubble. They just eat it. Look, there's a bubble. Okay, now one trick you can do with caramel, especially as it sets, I'm not going to do this because I'm going to use it in a cookie later. I'm going to have salt on it then. But you can put a couple of pinches, very lightly, spread it over evenly, of salt, and it gives a nice, like a buttery, salty with the caramel. So good. And I've heard what some people call this is a
Salted caramel.
salted caramel.
Watch. Look at it. I'm still munching on the little thing of batter.
I think
Or
somebody,
the little spatula.
I think somebody likes caramel.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That was a little bit much salt. Well, no, it wasn't.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Now that the caramel has firmed, you're going to want to take a good sharp knife. Some people say use a greased or oiled knife. I wouldn't do that. You're going to make your caramels really greasy and oily. So just cut them to pieces and eat them up or use them in cooking. You're going to love them.
So I've been eavesdropping, and I hear that did I hear that the caramel is done?
Where are you on your tiptoes?
Because I was looking over your shoulder.
Would you like a piece?
I would like a piece very much.
There you go. You can be the taste tester.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Mmm.
Cool.
Very good.
So like and subscribe, and when you
Yes,
come
please.
back, I'll show you how to make a couple of cookies out of this non-dairy caramel, or you can just cut it in pieces, wrap it in small bits of wax paper, and eat them throughout the season. You'll love them.
Awesome.
See you next time.
Thanks everybody for coming.